Beautiful grey heron. Juveniles are not as dark, or the cap's not as dark as the adults, and that very striking white. Oh, there's a slender mongoose on the road. Oh, there he goes. You don't get that white and black contrast as much with the juveniles. And quite often that's the same for a lot of birds. The juveniles tend to be much duller in colour. They don't have these bright plumages of the adults, and that's got a lot to do with keeping them safe from. And they are very much a stealth hunter. You'll find them standing in the water and waiting for long periods of time, and then using that long beak to actually spear any fish that come close. And you'll even get some species where the toes are slightly different colours. So the little egret, which looks very similar to a heron, just much smaller, and white all over. And they have black legs with yellow toes, and it's thought that those toes, they look like worms. So when they wiggle their feet, the fish will come over to try and eat the worms, and actually they're the toes of the egret. I was wondering if he was going to go and hunt. And I wonder if this is our grey heron that likes to go swimming. Not normally a behaviour you see in grey herons, but there is one that will wade right into the water. Beautiful crested barbet here. Always funny to me that this one's called a crested barbet, even though they've got this bright yellow and red plumage, and the feature that it's known by is the crest on top of its head. This one.
That's why.
That's exactly why. Black-headed Oriole. They've just seen the yellow of its body.
Just about see it.
Yeah, just about. Oh, beautiful. See, now this one I can understand. The black head being very prominent. You may also notice a red bill. And that bright yellow of the body there.